Krishna Defence and Allied Industries Limited held a ceremonial plate cutting event for the Jalkapi extra-large unmanned underwater vehicle for the Indian Navy that will be ready in 18 months. Following an official invitation, the Indian Air Force Chief arrived in Greece for an official visit, during which he was briefed on the operational activities of the Greek Air Force, and discussions were held to boost bilateral cooperation in both the operational and training domains. The Greek Air Force has requested access to operational insights and tactics from the Indian Air Force, gained during recent operations, with a particular focus on combat experience involving advanced platforms such as the Rafale aircraft. Both India and Pakistan have extended the closure of their airspace to each other's airlines until 24 July. The DRDO has received clearance to export the lightweight integrated Su-57 aircrew helmet. The Indian Army has signed 13 contracts worth 1,981 crore rupees under emergency procurement. That includes integrated drone detection and interdiction systems, low-level lightweight radar systems, very short-range air defense systems, remotely piloted aerial vehicles, loitering munitions, various categories of drones, bulletproof jackets and ballistic helmets, heavy and medium quick-reaction fighting vehicles, and night sights for rifles. The Aviation Industrial Corporation of China has posted a photo on social media, featuring a Pakistani pilot seated in the cockpit of a J-35 stealth fighter jet, accompanied by the caption saying "Buyers give good reviews," and interestingly, the aircraft shown is J-10C and not J-35A. The captive trials of the indigenous Astra MK1 missile on the Rafale fighter jet will start later this year, with live firing trials in 2026. The partnership will also pave the way for the integration of the 160 km range Astra Mk2. The Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle remains unsanctioned by the Cabinet Committee on Security as of June 2025, and the absence of formal approval has now pushed the project's timeline beyond 2030. In a significant revelation, the DRDO chief has said that the Ministry of Defence is yet to sanction funding for the development of India's hypersonic cruise missile program, and this delay persists despite a major technological breakthrough in Scramjet propulsion for more than 1,000 seconds. The DRDO has embarked on a project to upgrade its heavyweight torpedo that will integrate cutting-edge nanomaterials, sophisticated design methodologies, and a high-performance 300 kW brushless PLDC motor to deliver torpedoes that are more powerful and stealthy. DRDO's Electronics and Radar Development Establishment has developed a new 6 kW solid-state power amplifier that uses advanced gallium nitride on silicon carbide technology that will be a key part of India's next-generation radar systems. Russian officials have said that the S500 can simultaneously detect and intercept 10 ballistic missile warheads traveling at hypersonic speeds exceeding Mach 19. With a range of 600 kilometers, the S500 can neutralize all Pakistani existing ballistic missiles and China's DF-21D and DF-26, and can also detect and engage low observable targets like the J-35A at ranges up to 400 kilometers. India deploying 3 S500 regiments alongside its 5 S400 units will create an impenetrable air defense shield, protecting key cities and strategic naval assets. According to media reports, India has insisted that Russia must replace key components of the Su-57 stealth fighter, including the integration of India's Virupaksa gallium nitride-based AESA radar, as a precondition for purchase of Su-57, as gallium nitride-based AESA radar are emerging as the gold standard for 5th and 6th generation fighter jets, and integrating the indigenous radar into the Su-57 would also ensure better compatibility with India's existing fighters like the Tejas and Super Sukhoi. Russia has agreed to offer full source code access to facilitate system-level integration of Indian-made components and software into the Su-57. Today's top 3 comments.